Connect Local is a mobile app that will allow you to search for local Connect merchants, save money at these merchants, and then also get paid for your verified consumer data. Once you have created a profile on Connect Social, you can then open the Connect Local app and search for products or services from local merchants. Open the app and tap into savings. Let's say you are in the mood for some pizza. Simply open the app, tap onto Restaurants, and then the subcategory Pizza. All pizza restaurants registered with Connect Social will now be listed based on your current GPS location. The ones closest will be displayed first, and the further you scroll down, the farther away the merchants will be from you. All merchants listed on the Connect Local app will offer you an exclusive deal. It could be buy one, get one free, 10% off your purchase, a free drink with an appetizer, etc. You can tap on any of these merchants to open their profile page. These profile pages will have the merchant's name, logo, and full contact information. Each merchant will be able to display pictures and a short video commercial, highlighting their business, products, and services. Connect Local is like having a local coupon book at your fingertips. When you want to shop, simply visit the listed merchant, order your product or service, and then use the exclusive offer to save money. Once the merchant tells you the price, you would enter that price into the app, and then select how you wanted to pay for the product or service. You can pay with cash, credit card, debit card, or Connect Coins. After hitting Submit, the merchant will accept the payment and the order is now completed. If you paid with Connect Coins, the coins would be debited from your account and credited to the merchant's account. If you selected debit, credit, or cash, you would complete the financial transaction with the merchant. We've now collected the verified data on your transaction, and you will be paid 5% back in Connect Coins for your purchase. 2% will also be paid back to the network for helping Connect to grow. The Connect Local app will allow you to save money on your day-to-day needs and get paid for your consumer data while supporting your local small businesses. What's even more exciting is that if you've helped Connect to grow by referring your network, every time they make a purchase, you will get paid as well. Connect Local will be launching soon. Connect Local. It pays to be connected.